like that. You make her come check you, my baby. No time, no.
Good morning, you guys. I'm starting this vlog the 4th of November. Hi, guys. I'm Lee Sparkles and I sparkle, you sparkle, we sparkle. Welcome to the Sparkle Fam. If you're new to the Sparkle Fam, go ahead and hit the subscription box down below. And don't forget to just like, comment, and do everything that is beautiful. Okay, help your sister out. I'm trying to be a consistent hand, and consistency is, it becomes well received when people are like subscribing and all that. And I've been noticing the ninjas. Hi guys, welcome. Now my throat is sore and it's not tonsils. I don't know if you know this. The babies at my mom's, when you get cold for too long, you get sick. My problem is my throat. This comes and goes. Like, I just feel okay and then I get sore and I feel okay. But I've been drinking a lot of warm water for the past, since like the weather started to go south. And I can see that even today, if you could look out there, it's not sunny, guys. It is so hectic. So the windows are looking the way they look. I don't care. It's not my yard. The landlord is going to clean them up. So, but at the same time, I'm thinking about tomorrow. It's Sunday. So to make it feel like it's a Sunday vibes, maybe I could buy beetroot and make mash and make chicken. Ask me why Ukitaka Catalina is on my ears. I'm saying long down a lot of music Catalina. I'm trying to wear something warm, you guys. In this house, I don't wear bra unless I'm going outside. But just for the sake of wearing a bra, I don't wear bra. Guys, can you look at how well my skin has been healing? Like, can you look at this? The girl is coming back. Guys. All I'm waiting is for the discoloration on my feet to go. And then the outfits, the skates, I left all my short things at home because my skin, yeah. So now that my skin is clearing up, I hope it gets warmer. When I go to the mall, I'll be a hot plus size woman. And I'll be like, what are you looking at? Guys, I'm feeling a bit better right now. So I decided to take a walk. I came from buying beetroot and snacks for the girl. Guys, I'd rather be treated like this by my family than a total stranger, because, well,